Hi friends, welcome back SC Tamil programs. Today we are going to see the topic Python variables. First, what is variable? Is used to assign the value to the variable name because directly we can't give the value to the memory. So we have to use the variable name. A variable can have a short name, can be used a short name or long name. But if you are using short name, you can be easy to develop the code. Then variables are like containers for storing data values. How to use the variable in the program? In the beginning letter should use the alphabets. Can be used lowercase or uppercase letter. If you want to use the double name, should use the underscore. If you want to use numeric, should use end of the character like mark 1, mark 2, A1, A2. Okay, then can be used fully capital letters also. Then don't use like in the beginning letter, don't use numeric. Don't use the hyphen between the variable. Don't give a space between the variable. Okay. Example, a is equal to 100. How to store in the memory? First is going to store the variable a. Then create the container like after will be store the value. Okay. Then Python has no command for declaring a variable. In other language, if you want to use the variable, we have to declare the variables. First we have to variable declaration should mention the data type, if you want to use integer variables, int space a comma b comma c. If you want to use a float space x comma y comma z. Likewise we have to declare the variable. After that we can be used variable. But here in this Python, no need to mention the data type, no need to declare the variables. Wherever we can use the variable directly. Okay, that is called Python has no command for declaring a variable. Then multiple variables. And this Python can be used in multiple values to assign the multiple variables within a single line. Okay. Example, a comma b comma c is equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30. A is 10, b is 20 and c is 30. Okay. Then one value to multiple variables can be assigned same value to the multiple variables. Example, a is equal to b is equal to c is equal to 100. Okay, by a is 100 and also b is 100 and also c is 100. Okay, if you want to use multiple values to the multiple variables, should use the comma. Okay, here same value to assign the multiple variables should use the equal symbol. Okay, then using variable for collection like array, collection of values stored in a single variable. Example, a is equal to should use the subscript. It can be used any kinds of any data type value can be used like integers or float or double or string. Any kinds of value can be stored in the list. Okay, group of values stored in a single variable, that is collection. Then output variables can calculate any arithmetic operations and store the value to a variable. Directly you can calculate any values, then will be going to store into the variable, only getting the value by variable. Okay, I hope you understand every slides. If you like this video, you like me and share to others. If you have any doubt, you comment me and subscribe me.